So yeah, good morning. Today what we are going to do is, apart from the textbook knowledge or your book knowledge, we are going to learn something new in your Windows features, right? So these are the list of things which we are going to learn today. I know most of you already know about this, but I am 100% sure that more than 20% students don't know about this. So here we go one by one on each and everything. So one by one, what we are going to do is we are going to learn these four, five things in your Windows available only. So the first feature is dynamic lock. This dynamic lock feature is available in Windows 10 version. First thing. Second thing, what it actually is. Dynamic lock is like, let's say you are working on your system, right? And suddenly your mom called you and she said, ki, bhai, do something and go out and buy something or something. For any reason, you are out of your room. And by chance, you forgot to lock your system, right? And you don't want anybody will pin into your system and check out the things in your system, basically. So what you can do is you can enable this feature of dynamic lock. So this, what will happen, as soon as you move out of your house, it will automatically lock your window. How it is going to happen? So just have a look here. We continue with the session. The first one is dynamic lock. So for this, what you have to do is you have to enable your Bluetooth uh, in your device as well as in your mobile phone, which you used to carry with you. So here, the first step is I'm opening my Bluetooth here and my mobile Bluetooth also. Okay, I have opened my mobile Bluetooth and then here I have opened it. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to search for my device. Hmm. It's taking a lot of time actually. Yeah, so it has shown Redmi. I'm going to click on it. It will ask you to pair from mobile as well as your system. And the first very step is done. What you need to do is you need to connect your mobile phone with your Bluetooth system. Now the next step is what you are going to do is click on the setting option and then here is the option of accounts. There is sign in option. Click on this and here we have dynamic lock. This dynamic lock, when you enable this feature, by default it is disabled. Okay, so I'm going to enable this feature and now it is going to looking for my parent device. It is scanning my phone actually. Now as soon as I move out from my room, ठीक है, मैं अभी क्या करूँगी for 1 or 2 minutes I will move out from the range of this Bluetooth. जैसे ही आप Bluetooth की रेंज से बाहर जाओगे, automatically the screen will be locked. Fine. So पहले जल्दी से pair हो जाए and then I'll move out from my home and then we'll be back in 2 minutes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Then the next one next in the queue is steps recorder. Now, what is step recorder? You have seen many times in your classes also. I made a video of how to log in CPD and how to log in on Office 365. So complete video was there, right? Generally, when you have to show the steps to someone, so what you used to do? Generally, make a phone call and tell to your friends, "Bhai, aisa karo," and so on. Generally, as a human, we are always in habit of learning images first. So what this step recorder do? This automatically records or take a screenshot of your image which you are going to open on your system. This is the feature again of MS, I think Windows 10 only. What you need to do is go to the search option and write down steps recorder. Here is my recorder. Now let's say I am going to change the, let's say, what I'm going to do. क्या करना है, क्या करना है? Font color of the title bar. हाँ, color of the title bar and background of the desktop screen. So here I'm going to start this and minimizing it. Right. So right click, personalize. Then I have here the picture. So let's say I'm going to make this picture as a DP. Fine. And then theme, let's say. Colors. Fine. The colors I'm going to choose. Let's say this one. This is just for you people. Then done. Fine. So now going back, I'm going to stop this. As soon as you will stop this, it will automatically open up a window in which all the screenshots of your windows are available. Take whatever steps I have taken, it is there in the image wise as well as the steps written here. Use mouse right. You do not need to write the steps also. It is already there in text form. Okay, I think this is much clear, and this is the most, I think, found most useful feature of this Windows 10. बहुत अच्छा feature मुझे ये लगा, and I think सबको पता होगा, but still if some of you don't know, so I'm going to show you. Right click, extract here. Okay, so here is the recording file. How you gonna open it? It is up to you. Internet Explorer or any other app. Okay, this is up to you. In which software you want to open it. And let's say, so this is done, and I'm closing all my tabs here. I like this background only. So I think this is done. Steps recorder is a very wonderful feature you should use actually for recording your steps, and with the screenshot as well as the text in the text form also. In the next, we have emojis on the system, right? In your mobile phone, you can use emojis. But what if, like I am making a notepad file here, fine, and I want to use some emojis here, but there is no feature of finding the emojis or writing the emojis. Again, the next important, matlab, not important actually. So what you need to do is you just need to right click on the taskbar पे right click करना, and then there is an option show touch keyboard button. Just enable this. As soon as you enable this option, this keyboard will be enabled in your taskbar. Open it, and then here are the emojis. You can write down or you can set any of the emojis. I think this is my any emoji of your choice. You can choose out. There is my pizza, here's my pizza, and all. Okay. So this is how you can set the emoji. I'm just going to close this. And if you want to remove this, again right click and then disable this option, show touch keyboard button. Have is how to make a hidden folder. I know most of you know, and also most of you are eager to know that how you can make a hidden folder in your system. This is not ethical actually, but still I'm going to tell you that if you want none of your friend or your family member will access your private stuff. So what you can do is you can hide your folder. Now, yes, I know what you can do is right click on any folder and then properties, and then what you will do, you will just click on hidden and then apply, and then apply changes to this folder only, yeah, and okay. This folder is hidden, right? But what if someone is very smart? वो क्या करेगा? वो automatically fix कर लेगा. How? क्या करें? View पे जाओगे and then options, change folder in search settings. And then here view, what you will say, you will write show hidden folders, everything, and then apply, and then okay. What is happening? Please just refresh it. So here my docs is available. इसी folder को hide किया था और ये खुल गया देखो. So like if someone is very smart, so he can access your folder like this. There is another way to hide your folder permanently and nobody is gonna access your folder. Okay, तो पहले हम क्या करते हैं, अनहाइड करते हैं फोल्डर को. आई थिंक ये बात किसी को पता भी नहीं थी, शायद ये वाली भी कि आप अनहाइडेड फोल्डर्स करके देख सकते हो. एक चीज और बता दी है, फिर से बता देती हूँ, पहले इस पे बता देते हैं. लेट्स से समवन हैज हाइड अ फोल्डर, इसी को मैं हाइड कर दे रही हूँ. ओके, एंड देन अप्लाई, एंड देन इट इज आस्किंग कि भाई इसी फोल्डर से करना है कि हाँ भी इसी के साथ करना है, और हम कर देते हैं ओके. नाउ दिस फोल्डर इज हिडन. बट अभी क्यों नहीं हिडन है ये, क्योंकि मैंने वो ऑप्शन से जाके इसको एनेबल किया हुआ था, ये वाला, और यहाँ से आप उसको डिसेबल कर दोगे तो दिस फोल्डर विल बी हिडन. हाउ टू चेक आउट योर हिडन फोल्डर, कैसे करते हैं चेक? गो टू द ऑप्शन व्यू टैब, ऑप्शन एरिया या ऑप्शन बटन, देन इन व्यू वी हैव शो हिडन फाइल्स एंड फोल्डर्स, एंड देन अप्लाई, एंड देन ओके. जिसको ये नहीं पता था वो बता दिया. नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू शो यू हाउ यू कैन हाइड योर फोल्डर टेम्परेरी परमानेंटली. Most of you know that what is a command prompt. Command prompt is a Windows 7 command prompt where you can run the commands to perform any task. Linux जो होते हैं वो command based system होते हैं, but आपके Windows में भी कुछ commands हैं जो हम कर सकते हैं modify अपने according. So what you will write here, you will write cmd, that is on this command prompt. I'm going to open it. Fine. So what you will do here is, let's say वो मेरा folder कहाँ चला गया, my log ये रहा. इसी को हम हाइड करते हैं. हाउ यू वांट टू डू दिस? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू नीड टू एंटर इन योर सिस्टम, मींस डेस्कटॉप पे एंटर करना होगा, डेस्कटॉप के अंदर जाना होगा. तो हम क्या करेंगे, हम लिखते हैं cd desktop. Now I am inside my desktop. It has written C uses sp and then desktop, right? And then what you need to write is, there is a very good command known as attrib plus h plus s plus r, comma, the name of my folder. My folder name is my docs. Fine. Firstly, I will go to the location where my folder is stored. My folder is stored in desktop. On desktop, the desktop के अंदर गए पहले कैसे जाते हैं, cd command के through. We went to the desktop and then we write attrib plus h plus r plus s and then my docs, the name of my folder. I'm going to hit enter here. Not recognized. Wrong कर दिए. Attrib is not recognized. Let me here. सिर्फ इतनी सी कमांड रन करनी है, attrib plus h plus r plus my docs and so on. Let's say there is a folder, no confusion in that. I'm asking here right now, कोई confusion है तो please ask. Who is this Redmi? Who is this Redmi device? Please do let me know. Unmute yourself. Fine, then you are going to remove now Redmi. Any confusion in that? So please ask. Otherwise, we'll move ahead. Okay, fine, Kanika. What was the next thing? I think a hidden folder is done. Then coming to change color. Yeah, this is मतलब those who are in like use of command prompt, जो लोग use करते हैं command prompt, this is for them only. Like this is currently right now it is in white color. If you want to change the color of your command prompt text color, so what you can do is you can write a command called one second. So there is a command called color and then write the color code. I also don't know the color code. I know the color code of some color. So I'm going to write here, let's say 02. The color is changed to green. Color, let's say I'm going to write 05. So it is, मतलब you can write different values to change the color basically. Okay. I'm going to write here 10. So let's see what is going to happen. Okay, it is going to change the background color also. Fine. So this is clear, I think. So I think till now we have learned four things: dynamic lock, steps recorder, emojis on the system, hidden folders, and change color. And the last but not the least is checking the IP address and MAC address. See, uh, I know some of you know again, but ये कलर चेंज हुआ है कमांड प्रॉम्प्ट का मतलब मोस्ट ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स या मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल आर इन हैबिट ऑफ यूजिंग कमांड प्रॉम्प्ट दिस इज फॉर देम ओनली नॉट फॉर एक्चुअली अस जो जनरली इसको यूज करते हैं उनके लिए है ये कमांड प्रॉम्प्ट का कलर चेंज करना या करने का